Here's how to transfer photos from iPhone 17 to Windows PC. The first method is to use a USB cable. So first, connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. Then unlock your iPhone screen and a prompt that asks you to allow this device to access photos and videos. So select Trust or Allow option. Now enter the lock screen passcode to trust this computer. On Windows PC, go to the search bar or launch Photos app from the Startup menu. Then, select the Import option and select your iPhone from the list of connected devices. Please wait until your PC loads all items on the PC screen. Afterward, choose photos you want to import, and there you go. As you can see here, the photo is imported to your Windows computer. The second method is to use iCloud services. Make sure you have downloaded the iCloud for Windows app on your iPhone, or you can visit iCloud website and log into your account. Scroll to the Drive section and upload photos or videos. Now, on your Windows PC, launch the iCloud app or visit the iCloud website. Then, log into your account and download the image files. Tap Allow to download multiple files. You can check it in your File Explorer. Click to open and view the transferred images. Once the photo transfer completes, sign out of your iCloud account Windows PC. The third method is to use Localsend app. Install the Localsend app on both of your devices and connect to the same Wi-Fi connection. Then, follow the steps. To transfer photos from iPhone to PC, launch the Localsend app on your iPhone. Tap on the Send button and select Media. Then, find the photo or video from the drop-down menu. Once the media is selected, hit the Confirm button. At last, select your PC to send. If you don't find your device name, tap on the Refresh button. The fourth method is to use File Explorer. Keep your iPhone connected with USB and open the File Explorer on your Windows computer. Then, locate the iPhone from the left sidebar. Click on your iPhone's drive and find the photos. At last, select or drag and drop the photos to your PC folder. After the file transfer process completes, safely unplug your iPhone. Moreover, you can use other services like Google Photos or Dropbox and upload photos from your iPhone and access or download on your PC. Alternatively, you can use the third-party apps and use the most advanced features to transfer your photos. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.